This food has more protein than eggs. Prevent muscle loss after 60 naturally. After 60, your muscles don't disappear overnight. They fade slowly, step by step, until one day you notice standing up from a chair takes longer, or carrying a grocery bag feels heavier than it should, or climbing just 12 steps leaves your legs shaky. Maybe you felt the tired ache in your thighs yesterday, maybe even this morning. Take 5 seconds now and ask yourself, do I feel weaker than I did last year? If the answer is yes, you are not alone. Millions of people your age face the same quiet loss of strength. Many keep believing boiled eggs in the morning are enough. But the truth is, eggs only bring about 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Far less than what your body really needs to protect muscle. The good news is you can turn this around, starting as soon as tomorrow morning. By adding just 1 cup of the right food, you can feel more steady on your feet in a week. And in 30 days, you can notice more energy during your walks. Stay with me, because I will reveal 10 foods with more protein than eggs. And one of them will surprise you so much. It may already be sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet. Let's start with something simple and familiar. Greek yogurt. The kind you may already have in your fridge but never thought of as a real muscle protector. When you choose the non-fat strain type, you get nearly twice the protein of a boiled egg. About 10 grams per 3.5 ounces compared to just 6 grams from the same amount of egg. That means with a single cup in the morning you can cover almost half of the protein goal. Many experts suggest for older adults at breakfast. What makes Greek yogurt special is the way it is filtered 3 times to remove extra liquid and lactose, leaving behind a thick creamy texture that is gentle on your stomach. Research shows that seniors who added at least 20 grams of dairy protein a day kept up to 25% more muscle in just 12 weeks, especially when they paired it with walking. Try it plain, then add a spoonful of flax seeds or a handful of berries. Or even blend it into a smoothie, and you will have a tasty and powerful start to your day. Next on the list is chickpeas, a food you may know from salads or soups, but often overlooked as a true strength builder. Just 3.5 ounces of cooked chickpeas give you about 11 grams of protein, more than eggs. And they bring along something eggs completely lack, fiber. That fiber helps keep digestion smooth, supports blood sugar balance, and lowers the silent inflammation that eats away at muscle over time. On top of that, chickpeas are loaded with magnesium, a mineral your muscles need to contract and recover. Without enough magnesium, muscles tighten, cramp, and tire quickly, something many people over 50 have already felt. Cooking them is easy. Just soak overnight, then boil until tender. From there you can blend them into creamy hummus with olive oil and lemon. Roast them for a crunchy snack or add a cup to stews and curries. Each bite supports your muscles, your gut, and your long-term strength. Now let's talk about quinoa, a tiny grain that looks simple but carries the power of complete protein. Unlike most plants, quinoa naturally has all 9 essential amino acids. The building blocks your muscles need but cannot make on their own. Just 3.5 ounces of cooked quinoa give you about 14 grams of protein, far more than eggs. What makes quinoa even more helpful for older adults is its rich supply of lysine, an amino acid that supports muscle repair, calcium absorption, and collagen production. In one study, seniors who swapped white rice for quinoa showed better leg strength in just 8 weeks. A small change that made a real difference in daily energy. To get the best results, soak quinoa overnight to improve nutrient absorption. Cook it in low-sodium broth instead of plain water. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, and you will have a warm, filling dish that fights muscle loss with every bite. Let's move to something small but mighty. Pumpkin seeds. The kind you might snack on without realizing how much strength they can bring. Just 3.5 ounces of raw pumpkin seeds pack about 19 grams of protein, almost double what the same weight of eggs gives you. Beyond protein, pumpkin seeds are loaded with minerals many people over 50 tend to lack, like magnesium, iron, and zinc. Magnesium helps prevent painful cramps, iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, and zinc supports recovery after activity. Without these key nutrients, your body struggles to use protein effectively, no matter how much you eat. Studies show that older adults who ate pumpkin seeds daily reduced muscle inflammation by more than a third in only 12 weeks. To get the benefits, choose raw and unsalted seeds. Sprinkle a handful over your Greek yogurt. Toss them into a smoothie, or grind them into a creamy seed butter for a rich spread. Now let's look at tempeh, a food many older adults have never tried, but one that can be a real game changer for muscle health. Tempeh is made from whole soybeans that have been fermented, and that single step makes a big difference. Just 3.5 ounces give you around 20 grams of protein, much more than eggs. And the fermentation makes it easier to digest and richer in nutrients. Tempeh provides all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key trigger that tells your body to start building muscle. After 60, your body responds less to protein, so foods high in leucine become especially important. On top of that, the natural probiotics in tempeh improve gut health, helping you absorb protein more efficiently. Cooking tempeh is simple. Slice it thin, pan-sear with a splash of tamari or apple cider vinegar, and use it in stir-fries, sandwiches, or salads for a hearty and satisfying meal. Next up is spirulina, a deep green algae that may not look like much, but delivers more protein than almost anything else in your pantry. Just 3.5 ounces of spirulina powder carry close to 29 grams of protein, nearly 3 times what you get from eggs. And most of that protein is easy for your body to absorb and use. Spirulina also fights a hidden enemy of muscle health, low-grade inflammation. Chronic inflammation slows repair and makes muscle loss happen faster. But spirulina contains a natural compound that helps calm it down. At the same time, it improves blood flow so nutrients reach your muscles more effectively. You do not need a lot. Just 1 teaspoon a day is enough. Stir it into a morning smoothie with banana and spinach. Mix it into warm oatmeal, or roll it into homemade energy balls. Small amounts, used daily, can boost strength and recovery in just a few weeks. Let's turn to hemp seeds, a small but powerful food that many people skip over in the grocery store. Just 3.5 ounces deliver around 35 grams of protein, nearly 3 times more than eggs. And unlike many plant sources, hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right balance your body needs. That makes them especially helpful after 50, when protein absorption becomes less efficient. Hemp seeds also provide healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6, plus a special fatty acid called GLA that supports joints, eases inflammation, and helps with clear thinking. For anyone looking to protect both muscles and overall wellness, hemp seeds are a smart choice. The best part is how easy they are to use. Sprinkle the teaspoons over warm oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or mix into roasted vegetables. They have a mild nutty flavor, are easy to digest, and give your body protein it can actually use. Now let's talk about seitan, sometimes called wheat meat, a plant-based food that looks and feels like real meat. Just 3.5 ounces of seitan give you about 39 grams of protein, putting it on par with the highest protein cuts of beef but without the extra fat or heaviness that can slow digestion. Seitan is made by washing wheat flour until most of the starch is removed, leaving behind pure gluten protein. That process makes it dense in protein, but still light on calories and carbs, which can be helpful if you are managing blood sugar, cholesterol, or weight. Because it is easy to digest, older adults can absorb the protein more efficiently than from many animal sources. Cooking is simple. Slice it thin and stir-fry with garlic, grill it with your favorite marinade, or roast it with vegetables. With a chewy texture and savory flavor, Seitan can make a satisfying and healthy swap for meat. Next is Parmesan cheese, a food you may already enjoy on pasta or salads. But few people realize just how powerful it is for muscle health. Parmesan is aged for months, sometimes years, and that long process makes the protein inside easier for your body to use. Just 3.5 ounces deliver about 42 grams of protein, far more than eggs and even more than many cuts of beef. The unique benefit of Parmesan is not just the amount, but how well your body absorbs it. Because the proteins are partially broken down during aging, your digestion works less, yet you still get more amino acids reaching your muscles. Parmesan is also rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals your body to start building muscle. Something especially important after 60 when natural muscle loss speeds up. The good news is you don't need a lot. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons, about 1 ounce, can provide enough leucine to kickstart muscle growth. Try grating it fresh over roasted vegetables, soups, or whole grain bowls. The flavor becomes stronger when warmed, which can help boost appetite. A common challenge for older adults. With each sprinkle, you give your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong and steady. Finally, let's talk about something you may not have in your kitchen yet: dried fish powder. It may sound unusual, but this simple powder, made from lean fish like cod or pollock, is one of the most powerful protein sources you can find. Once the water is removed, what remains is almost pure protein. Just 3.5 ounces of dried fish powder provide about 63 grams of protein, far more than eggs, chicken breast, or even many whey supplements. What makes it so impressive is how easily your body can use it. The protein in fish powder is quickly absorbed, which means your muscles can start repairing and rebuilding almost right away. For older adults, that quick delivery is critical, because slower digestion often limits how much protein actually reaches the muscles. Research has shown that seniors who added dried cod powder to their meals gained nearly 20% more lean muscle in just 10 weeks, even without changing their exercise habits. On top of protein, fish powder is rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips the switch for muscle growth. Most adults over 60 do not get enough leucine from daily meals, but just 1 ounce of fish powder contains more than 3 grams, enough to trigger muscle building all by itself. That makes it not just food, but almost like a natural therapy for preventing age-related muscle loss. Using it is easier than you think. Stir a spoonful into soups, stews, or mashed vegetables. Mix it in the savory oatmeal for a protein-rich breakfast. It stores well, costs less than many supplements, and does not spoil quickly. For anyone struggling with chewing or low appetite, fish powder is soft, smooth, and easy to swallow. With just one small step, you give your body a huge advantage in staying strong and independent after 60. You have now seen that eggs are not the only answer. From Greek yogurt to dried fish powder, these foods deliver more protein, support stronger muscles, and help you stay steady and independent as the years go by. The best part is you can begin with something simple tomorrow morning. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, add a teaspoon of ground flaxseed or a few berries, and enjoy it with your coffee. The cost is about $2-3 United States dollars, and it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Do this a few times a week, and your body will thank you with better energy and stronger steps. Talk to your doctor if you have kidney problems or other health concerns before making big changes. Now I'd love to hear from you. Out of the 10 foods we talked about, which one will you try first? Comment the number below so others can see your choice. If this video gave you value, tap like so YouTube knows to share it with more people like you. Share it with a friend or family member over 60 who might need a boost. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because in the next video I'll show you how pairing protein with vitamin D can double the benefits for both your muscles and your bones. Remember, Staying strong after 60 is not about luck. It's about what you choose to put on your plate each day. Consistency beats perfection, and you are never too late to start.